Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Fun Learning. I'm your math teacher Rashi. So in this video we are going to learn about angle sum property of a triangle. So basically in this video we are going to do an activity of angle sum property of a triangle. For that activity you need two colorful paper, any colorful paper you need. So basically here we are going to discuss or learn the theorem, and this theorem is from NCERT book for class 7 and above classes, and this is from the chapter lines and angles. You can see this theorem is there. The theorem is the sum of the angles. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So as all of you know that triangle is it has three sides and three vertex, and they have a three angles also. The theorem said the sum of the angles is 180 degree. So if you add these three angles you will get a 180 degree. So we are going to do this activity. We are going to learn this theorem, how it is correct. So we are doing a learning by doing method and visual method. Through the help of the visual method we are going to learn this and understand how it is correct. Okay, so for this activity we need two different colors paper, and you can cut a triangle, any triangle you need. So as I cut it here, but the two triangles should be same in size. You can see it here. I cut these triangles which is same in size. Okay, so let's start and let's do an activity. The triangle we need is, if I'll put my triangle here, or let me draw on this triangle here also. Yeah, so I draw my triangle. You can see my triangle is here, and the triangle has three sides, 1, 2 and 3. That's why it is called triangle. It has three vertices, 1, 2 and 3. Let's give a number, name. It's A, that's B and C. So what is that angles here? Angles are this. So it has three angles also, right? So let me take this. Look, this is my angle triangle, and if I'll give a number, angle 1, this is my angle 2 and this is my angle 3, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do, take this angle triangle, I'll write it angle 1. Here I'll write it triangle 2, and this part also I'll write it triangle 3. Now I'm going to cut this portion. So kids, all of you have to cut this portion. Either you can cut this curved part or you just curve this straight line as you wish. So basically we are going to show this. Like here I'm going to cut this triangle, and I write the angles here so that I'm not get confused that this is, and it's clear that this is angle 1, that is my angle 2, sorry, like this, and that's my angle 3. Now I think it's clear to all. So here I cut the angles. Now the question said that sum of the angles. Question said the sum. Theorem said the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. 100 means you know that it's said that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So kids, as all of you know that 180 degree means it is a straight angle, right? Straight angle, I'm going to make it here. This is the point. If rays are going from this side and the rays is going from this side, left and right side, so they make an angle, and that angle is a 180 degree. Basically you can see a straight angle is formed. The two rays are moving out from this point, from the starting point, and they made a straight line. That's why it is called a straight angle. So this is your straight angle. The measurement of the straight angle is 180 degree. So is it equal to 180 degree? So kids, let's measure it. So this is our point. You always remember this is a point corner. So I'll just mark this point corner. Now to show that this is a straight angle, what I'm going to do, the corners should be met here like this. This is angle 1. Now let's keep the angle 2 here. Okay, on the center point. I think it is visible to all my kids, and you can see here. If you can see, this make a round, and that is show you that it is 180 degree. This gives you a one straight line. That means the sum of these three angles gives you a 180 degree, as it said that angles, the measurement of the straight angle is 180 degree. So I hope kids it is clear how the sum of the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So here you can see visual method. With the help of the visual method, you learn the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. But if you want to write it, or if you want to confirm it, how you will confirm it? So let's come and see. So let's start and see how to confirm it. So kids, you learn through a visual method or learning by doing method how these sum of the angles is equal to 180 degree. So but now if we have to explain or prove that, and with the writing in a writing manner. So what we are doing, so basically first we have to draw a one parallel line with a parallel line of this BC. This is the BC line. We have to make a parallel line, and you know the parallel line is just opposite. Now to take a point A, and we have to draw one parallel line like this. So this is the line. We can give a name X and Y. This is the line XAY. So here you can see we draw a line parallel to the BC with the opposite vertex, that is A. So here we use a property which is related to the parallel line, that XAY is a line. So therefore the line has a angle 180 degree. As you can see here, it is straight angle, so it is a 180 degree. So let's give a new name of these angles. This is angle 4 and that is angle 5. So I'll just draw 3 lines, and now here if you can see that angle 4 is opposite, or you can say it's not opposite, it's a pair of alternate angles, angle 2 and angle 4. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Why? Because it is a alternate angles. And angle 3 is equal to angle 5 because it is an alternate angles. So I'll just draw a 3 lines here to show that. Okay, so want to see that it is equal. So what we will do, we have these angles, we just kept it here, and this point you have to observe that, and you can see yes it is equal. Yes, angle 2, angle 2, this is angle 3. Let's see, it is equal to angle 5. Yes, it is equal to angle 5. So look kids, it gives you a proper straight line, yeah, which is called straight angle, which is 180 degree. So basically, if we can put if on this way, if you can see angle 4, let me change my color pencil, angle 4 plus angle 1 remain plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. So instead of that, you know that angle 2 is equal to angle 4, as you can see it here, and so we can put a value of angle 4 is angle 2 plus angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 5. You can see yes it is equal. So here you can put the value of angle 5 which because it is equal, and hence it is proved. If we arrange in a proper way, hence it is proved that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So kids, I hope you really enjoyed this activity, and with this activity, small activity, you better understand the sum of angles and this the theorem. So please like my channel, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.